Next mechanism is the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, where also called it is a RAS mechanism. Renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAS system. So in this system, when glomerular filtration rate, GFR means glomerular filtration rate is decreases, juxtaglomerular apparatus, they are containing juxtaglomerular cells. There is juxtaglomerular JGA apparatus, JG cells, they are producing the renin. That renin is act on the angiotensinogen, so which is produced by the liver present in the circulation. So this renin is converting that angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1, angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Through the circulation, this angiotensin 1 is reached to the lungs. There, angiotensin converting enzyme, ACE means angiotensin converting enzyme, convert that angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. Now this angiotensin 2 is act on the adrenaline cortex. Where it is acting? Adrenaline cortex, and releases the aldosterone. What it is releasing? Aldosterone. So angiotensinogen is produced by the liver and it is converted into the 1 in presence of renin. Next, lungs, they are producing angiotensin converting enzyme. There angiotensin 1 is converted into 2. Now angiotensin 2 is acting on adrenaline cortex, aldosterone is produced. That produced aldosterone increases the permeability of water at DCT, increases the blood pressure and glomerular filtration rate. So whatever glomerular filtration rate here decreases, that will be increased by the aldosterone. So this mechanism is called the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone. Renin, which is converting the angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Next, angiotensin converting enzyme, lungs converting into 2, which is act on adrenaline cortex and producing the aldosterone. So ultimately aldosterone is increasing the water permeability at the distal convoluted tubule, and when blood is absorbed, water is absorbed more, blood volume and pressure is increases, which increases the glomerular filtration rate. And next, these RAS mechanism and previous whatever we studied ADH mechanism, they increases the functioning of kidney. So opposite mechanism is atrial natriuretic peptide or atrial natriuretic factor. So this is produced by the right atria. When blood pressure is increases here, so right atria is immediately identified that blood pressure and produces these ANF. So in first mechanism, they prevent the sodium absorption and water absorption. So what happened? Diuresis, more urine formation will be takes place. Blood volume is decreases, blood pressure is decreases. In second mechanism, they cause the dilation of the blood vessel. When blood vessel is dilated, enlarged, automatically blood pressure is decreases. So it is acting as a antagonistic to the RAS mechanism. So atrial natriuretic peptide or the factor is antagonistic to the RAS mechanism.